I'm back, YouTube. Just now, when I was doing herbs and spices or jumping from pineapple to herbs and spices, I had memory issues with the camera. Sorry, I am back with
Farah, Ruby.
Wow. Hi, Chad. And
Hi, I'm Wei-Chen.
the wonderful, beautiful, great Arla cheese promoter. She's not only promoting Arla cheese, she's promoting the hell out of Arla cheese.
Yeah, Arla
She
cheese.
needs a raise. She needs a raise or some compensation. Give her a package or bundle of cheese or something to take home. Anyways, what we were doing herbs and spices.
Yep, we were doing the herbs and spices cream cheese.
Did they try it?
Yeah, they try it. How do you?
And we love it, really, really. I can say that this is my favorite out of all of them.
Put it up. See?
Yes.
Isn't that a good commercial ad here, right there? See? Ruby and herbs and spices. And you?
I'm from Penang and I love herbs. All Penang people will love herbs.
Why?
Because that's our trademark.
Yeah. Because their food is really rich in herbs, so they really love herbs.
So when are you going to take me to eat some Penang food? You're from?
Call me.
You are?
Wherever.
Where are you from?
JB, Johor.
So how the hell do you know Penang food?
Oh, because in Malaysia in every state we have every state food. Like in Johor, I also eat Sabah food, Sarawak food, Penang food, Melaka food.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
That's the states in Malaysia. Currently we have 14 states, and in Johor you can get.
Do you know the 14 states?
Yes.
Go ahead, shoot.
Okay. So Johor, Penang, Melaka, Negeri Sembilan, Pahang, Perlis, Kedah, Terengganu, Sabah, Sarawak, itu tinggal satu tadi. Selangor, Kelantan, wilayah persekutuan. Wilayah persekutuan, what is in English? Federal, wilayah persekutuan.
Territory.
Federal territory.
And where's the 14?
Yes, the federal. No. Wait.
Perlis,
Sorry.
She's drawing it now.
Perlis, Kedah, Penang, Perak, KL,
KL?
Kuala Lumpur.
Is it Kuala Lumpur as a state?
It's in the federal constitution, right?
Somebody's lying, but I don't know. What do I know? So I'll just play along.
She can.
Do you know the 14 states?
Johor, Kelantan, Terengganu, Perlis, Perak, Penang, Sabah, Sarawak, Kedah, Kelantan,
Negeri Sembilan,
Negeri Sembilan,
Melaka,
11,
Melaka, and then
Sabah, Sarawak?
Sabah, Sarawak.
You guys are all fired from the universities here. You're all fired. Hello, Auntie. How are you? Does she speak to her and ask her how she...
This one is the natural light cream cheese. Yep. This one
Nice? You like? Auntie ran away. Auntie totally ate and ran away. She booked it. And okay, what is this one?
This one is the cream cheese that Auntie just had,
Okay.
which is the natural light one.
Natural white.
Yep.
Are they trying more cheese?
Okay, I'm giving you one natural light.
Natural light.
Yep.
This is natural light.
I will.
She's making another one for the second tester. This is sampling, obviously. And these two girls are doing a great job sampling the cheese for this company. Thank you on behalf of Arla. But let's try the natural one. How many more cheeses do we have to go?
And one more lactose-free one.
Okay, let's do it then. Hang on. Tell me the natural.
So just now I just ate the natural light. So just like its name is light in texture, but still have
the flavor?
rich, the rich flavor in it. How do I say? Macam dia ringan je kat mulut, tapi dia still sedap.
Not
not
I have no idea what this lady is saying, but it's okay. It's her show.
Yeah.
And
dia ringan tapi dia still rasa cream dia. And sangat sedap. That's all I can say. I can't say anymore.
very well said, because even if I don't eat it, I'll buy it because you said all kinds of crazy things. Thank you. And you?
Apa yang Ruby cakap tadi betul.
Hang on. What's on your t-shirt? Your University of Malaya.
Oh.
Is that a griffin?
No, this is a harimau, tiger.
It's a tiger.
Yes. Because
Okay. Oh. Okay, go ahead.
just as well.
Just like what she say, it's like, but yeah, ada rasa. Rasa
Rich. Ada kaya dengan rasa.
So those are the 4 you wanted to taste. Is there
and
any?
then
Oh, there's more.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
And that would be the lactose-free cream cheese.
Oh, that's lactose-free. You just told me about it.
Yep.
How much are these babies anyway?
This one is $7.99. We're doing promotion now. Yep.
For?
For this culinary fair. Yep. So it's only 8 ringgit, $7.99, which I round off, and then it's 8 ringgit.
Okay. Go ahead, taste.
So that would be the lactose.
So I have a question for you. Do you have any? You see, it says sample, not for sale. Do you have any Do you have 2 samples for herbs and spices left?
Actually, I have, but I have to get it. Yeah.
You have?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Thank you. That's all I needed to know. And?
Sorry.
No. Enjoy. Cepat di, sedap di. I have no idea what I'm saying. Help me out, somebody.
Sungguh enak dimakan begitu saja.
Damn. You have to subscribe to my channel.
Okay.
Don't okay and bullshit me and janji me.
Of course.
Mahalo?
Mahalo.
Janji?
Janji.
You?
I have already subscribed.
You bohong, you kosong me just now. Okay. Anyways, what is this lactose-free thing? Did you subscribe?
Not yet, but I'll do it later.
Kachao. Okay, this is lactose-free.
Yep.
And
This
so
one?
it's just not lactose-free.
Yes.
Okay. It's just lactose-free. What can I say? So how does it taste?
So it tastes more like yogurt. So for those who really love yogurt but not really fond of cheese, you got to try this one, because personally I really love this too. Because I'm more on the yogurt person than cheese, and I really love this.
Everything she loves.
Yeah.
YouTube, I'm very confused. She says, I love every goddamn thing now.
Yeah.
What is your favorite, love?
Favorite
Yes.
out of this?
Yes.
I don't know what to choose.
You
Lacto
think
or
about it.
herbs?
What's your okay? Tell me about this lactose-free first.
I like it very much because it tastes like yogurt. I don't like cheese very much, but I like yogurt, so I like this one.
Which one? Your favorite flavor?
Can I choose all of that? No, you have to choose one.
Oh,
Like the
that's
best.
mean. No, I think I will take lacto and herbs. No compromise.
You?
Pineapple and lacto and herbs.
Pineapple and lacto and herbs. I'm confused. What did you just say?
Her favorites are these 3. Pineapple.
Give me 2 favorites.
2, only 2. Sorry babe, I'm trying.
Don't cry for me, Argentina.
These 2.
Herbs and spices. Sounds like a group singing R&B songs. Pineapple and cheese. Sounds like you're from Hawaii. Mahalo, my friend.
Mahalo.
And you?
So I will pick herbs and lacto, because Malaysia is full of spices, so I really like spices. And lacto free, it just tastes like yogurt, and I really love yogurt. So for those who love spices and yogurt, you got to try this.
Thank you, mahalo. Are these the only flavors you have? 4?
Yes. Actually, there are 5. Natural light.
So these are the 5 flavors. Okay, people. Natural, herbs and spices, lactose-free, natural. Why are there 2 natural? Oh, natural light.
Natural light.
Natural and pineapple. So there's 5 flavors, and they're all What? $6.99.
Only six.
Only. Oh, they're different prices, aren't they?
Yep. Lactose-free is $7.99 and the others are $6.99.
Okay. And you have whipping cream as well, and you have Lure Park butter that I've never tasted. Many different flavors. So, oh, two. Salted and unsalted. And then you have Lure Park in a different. It's a cube. This is a different container. Are that all your products?
Yep.
What's in here?
It's scrambled egg.
Oh, scrambled egg.
Yep.
Okay, so that's all. So now tell me, what's your name?
Wei Chen.
What do you do, Wei Chen?
I'm a part-time promoter.
Part-time promoter?
Yeah.
What's the other part-time with?
Actually, I'm still a student.
Where?
I'm studying
Of course, where?
at BAC.
BAC?
Yep.
Back?
Yeah.
What's
yeah.
back?
It's Brickfields Asia College.
Malaysia, they have every college in the world. From Sunkiss to Sunseed to Sunfest to
Yeah.
everything. So you're in one of those colleges.
Yes.
And how? And what year?
I just finished my A levels.
Oh, so you're very young.
Yeah.
18, 19?
19, just like this.
This two girls.
Yes.
Okay, where are your parents?
Actually, I'm from Johor.
Your parents are in Johor?
Yeah, my parents are in Johor as well.
Brothers and sisters?
I have only one brother.
Call them by name and tell them you love them in whatever language you want.
Okay, Daddy and Mommy and my grandma also. I love all of you so much. Yeah, I'm on YouTube anyway. Hi.
Mahalo. Again, do you have a boyfriend?
Oh no, I don't have a boyfriend.
Malaysia? Check this one out. So if you want info on this, you send me the info after you subscribe and comment, and I will forward the info to Wei Chen. What she does with it, whether she scrambles your bloody ass, or whether she gives you a cheese and calls you on, that's her business. But I will do. She's beautiful, talented, smart, and very well spoken. Thank you. Let me go catch out your two tasters who did an excellent job. So, what's your Dato's name?
Mahamud.
Mahamud. Good boy? Yep.
Yep. Pardon. My father.
Oh, Dato, your boyfriend.
Oh, my boyfriend. She doesn't have. I don't have.
Malaysia? Number 2. Number 2.
You can call me.
Mahalo, you can call me. Is that what-
Mahalo. You can call me.
It's a song, I'm not going to touch it, by Kylie. I'm not going to touch it, but call me if you want. This is crazy, but here's my damn number. Call me maybe. Is that what you're trying to say? Okay, and invite me to your wedding and I'll be your videographer.
Yes.
If somebody calls you, you get married, invite me and I'll do your wedding video for
Okay.
you. Okay? Janji?
Janji.
On YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, there you go, YouTube. And your Dato,
My Dato.
your boyfriend.
Boyfriend. I don't have one.
Number 3,
Yours.
343.
Oh.
343, I'm striking very well now. So Malaysia, number 3. This is Ruby. She says call me, maybe.
Maybe.
Don't give me your number yet.
No.
Here's my number. But okay, tell everybody in Malaysia to come and buy Arla, especially your friends and family, and then say goodbye, whatever you want.
Okay, so for those who live in, especially here in Kuala Lumpur, you have to come to Mid Valley and buy this Arla product because it really have a wide variety of flavors and they are really good and I really love them personally. So you got to check this out too. So yeah, that's it. Come and try it for yourself and you will love it. Really love it. So I say goodbye now.
You can.
Oh, okay. So goodbye.
Mahalo.
Hello. Love you.
She blew YouTube a kiss.
Oh.
This one is a little kacau. And you? Farah?
Goodbye.
Nothing to say?
Nothing.
What about Arla?
I will come and buy it all.
Buy it all.
Yes.
What about your friends and family? And should they buy? Should
all
they
of
try?
my friends and my family, you have to try this because there's sedap gila.
Yes.
a little Gila herself. And she sedap Gila the bloody thing. See, Arla, three. You can put all these three girls into your video, into your advertisement for Arla, and you will make a very, very good real people video. And this was spontaneous. None of these was rehearsed. I don't know these people from Adam or Eve. I just bumped into them, and they're all cheese lovers, and they all gave you your products great ratings. So compensate them, give them some free gifts or something, and this one a raise, and you should do an ad, because I have not seen an ad for Arla products in Malaysia. And these are your three, and these are your three people right there. You see, Farah, Wei Chen, and Ruby. All red. So from Arla at the culinary fair, which I came to do the whole fair, I ended up doing Arla because it is cheese, my favorite stuff. From the culinary food fair with Arla products, let in the goodness, let my people in. This is JC. Mahalo YouTube. Out. Say mahalo YouTube.